Hi there, this is another one of my how-to videos. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Right folks, this short video, I hope it's short, is about repairing and rebuilding a UV filter for koi ponds. Now, I bought this one, it's Chinese, I bought this one from a fellow Brit in Pattaya, a place I don't like very much. And he ripped me off, and it was quite expensive, but that's another story, you know. It's not only local people that rip you off, it's your fellow countrymen. This is the filter by Sun, 36 watts, and the details are in the next clip or two. Okay. As it happened, it was less than a year before things started to go wrong. The ballast and the starter failed to work, so I had to rip that out of the casing and build one externally. A Heath Robinson job, I'm afraid, but it works very well, still to this day. I must stress the importance of using a fully qualified electrician for this work, especially if you're uncertain about how to do things yourself, as water and electricity do not mix. As it happened, about 18 months ago, the outer casing of the UV filter started to spring a leak. So what I did, I wrapped it with a piece of downpipe, rainwater downpipe, and smeared high quality silicone all over the joints, all over everything, and wrapped electrical insulation tape around everything several times, and that seems to work very well until about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
The water passing through the filter has worn away the plastic, so the plastic is very thin, and I fudged it up a couple of years ago, and as you can see, the water's breaking through again. That's silicone and bits of plastic glued on inside there, but it hasn't worked. All this is rotten, it's just gone. So the idea is to get this and this and this and see if I can make a new shell for it. It's a decent plastic, it's a nice thick plastic that should last a long time. So, first things first, remove the brackets, take out the tube and then go from there. And this is what's happened. I took off this insulation tape and other gubbins, other stuff I've chucked around there, silicone and various glues, etc. with a period of time. And it's rotted. You can see it's absolutely rotten. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and save this end, and that end if I can, and just replace this part. Well, I've got some, I think it's thread pipe, I'm not sure, no it's not thread, not sure what it is. 2.5 inch. Now, unfortunately that doesn't quite slide in there. That's what I was hoping to do, to slide that inside. And that's, I can't do it, this is too brittle to heat up and force inside, so that's a long way. And this is what we ended up with. As you can see, I've completely rebuilt the tube one time. I managed to salvage the main part, which is good, because that would have been a real problem. I've left the electrics as they are because they work. And this is the cover for the electrics. Homemade, good, works very well. There you have it.
Well, that didn't work very well, it barely lasted 3 days, so it's back to the drawing board. Yes, the neck broke right at the end of the thread, so that could be quite a problem to repair that again. So it's a rebuild. The original plastic casing is so flimsy now it may be difficult to save the threaded end, but we will try our very best, so here goes.
Anyway, what we have here is
the revamped version. A DR Superbus. Heath Robinson Special. I bet it lasts longer than the original. Anyway, so the only piece of the original tubing and everything else, the original filter, apart from the actual electronics and the tube, is this, the thread, which I've managed to save, because I don't think I can get a thread like this in Thailand. I get close to it, but it's got to be 100% that one. And that's the other piece here, which I did earlier on, and I've since done this on the outlet, and I should swap. I should do the same this end. I should do the same really, but you know, gives me something to do, isn't it? In my adage. And this is the filter in situ here, up and running. There we are. Looking good. Mind, it's only been installed for what, 10 minutes? So we'll see what it's like after a few days. 1 or 2 weeks there, but I'm not worried about that. So, nothing to worry about at all. Well, this is the end of this short video. I hope it's been of some use to you. And just remember that if you're messing around with water and electrics, they do not mix. So if you're uncertain about anything in this video, please consult an expert. I take no responsibility for anything that goes wrong, or if you electrocute yourself or blow your fish up or whatever. Okay? So this is just what I do, and I do alone. I don't recommend that you do it. This is my way of doing things. So that's my, what's that? My absolver. Okay, catch you next time. Okay, bye. Don't you just love the Chinese English? I think it's great. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.